Yeah, well, here's a little taste of what we do. We just wait until everybody's through, and then we find our way back in and into the traffic again. And that's neat. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Looks like a nice little driveway. Now we got a stealth camper dogging me. You know what I mean? Coming right up on my behind. And the Sooke River Bridge. And there's the place they used to call the Castle Cafe. And there is the Sooke River. Both sides now, both sides. Oh, that wasn't a stealth camper, that was an Amazon guy. And boy, he looks like he's kind of mad. Not too happy about all the time it's taking him to do his deliveries. Well, that's one thing maybe about Sooke, eh? You gotta slow down or leave town. Because once you've left, boy, you can sure go fast on the highway, but not in Sooke. I wouldn't do it anyway. Probably get into an accident if I did, which is why I don't do it, because guess what? I'm not stupid. And the Sooke Region Museum. What a beautiful museum this is. It's all about the good old days of logging and when Sooke was a younger town. Wouldn't it be nice if we had a wildlife kind of like a proper crossing here instead of that yellow sign on the side of the road? Wildlife crossing, you know. The poor things, man. They were here before us. All of the animals were. Don't think that they don't mean something, because they do. They mean a lot to us. A lot of people would have died without animals. They deserve respect. There should be a way of having a crossing here proper. I say it should be just a little overpass built above the road just to hold all the cars for this little quarter of a mile or whatever it might be, and just have it open underneath, right? have it open underneath, like just the big concrete pylons, and have it open underneath, so that would be where all the wildlife would naturally go. They would walk underneath the overpass. An overpass there would be great if you could do it. So structurally, what would the barrier be? I'm not sure. Maybe not even any, really. Maybe it's just a matter of what really matters more to us, you know? Protecting our wildlife here on the island, or just letting it get run over, right? Run over and chased out of the woods by loggers. And not so much the loggers. I'd say the loggers are working for the government in the end. So it's the government, you know, working for the government, right? For some reason, the government just doesn't seem to be doing the right thing. Why wouldn't they be thinking about the future of those forest areas? They don't seem to care. They just chop it all down, mash it all up, take what they can, and they leave the rest as garbage. Stumps and all. I've tried to walk through some of them places that have regrown. It's damn near impossible. First of all, the trees all need to be spaced. There are a lot of jobs that could be created here in BC spacing these trees that have been done in the past. The question is anyone going to be able to work there without breaking their back or their leg or their neck or their arm or whatever? But yeah, what about all those areas that got transplanted 50 years ago or whatever, still never got any spacing done? I was a tree spacer up in 100 Mile House. Up even farther than that. Williams Lake area for a couple of years. I know all about it. 5-6 meter spacing for disease, right? At least it gives the forest a chance, but up here, I go into these places and you're gonna see some of them soon where I go there and I can't even get in. It's just so crowded. So many trees and so much garbage growing in there that you can't even walk through these forests. So you've taken away the forest of the animals. You haven't given it a chance to all grow back to be the same it was before you started. So have you ever heard the saying, leave it the way you found it? You can use it, but leave it the way you found it. Can you please do that? Minus, of course, your trees. I believe it's called selective logging. I'm not no politician or nothing. I don't know what I'm talking about. But I just thought I'd say these words and record it and just show you a few things that I've noticed. Because really, I'm beginning to wonder if I am crazy or not. And we can't go having that. Gotta go pick up some fresh water here. We're gonna hit the village food, so we'll see you when we get back.